What if I told you that you could turn just $10,500 into $210,000 in real estate, even if you have no prior experience? Hey guys, welcome back to Capital Quest. Today I'm sharing how at just 19 years old, I flipped my first property and made over $200,000 in just 90 days, starting with only $10,500. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is real estate investing done right, and I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. Right here in the US, stick around till the end because I'll also share 3 critical mistakes to avoid that could save you thousands on your first deal. Step 1. Finding the right property. Most people think you need a ton of money to start in real estate, but the key, finding distressed properties. Homes that need repairs but are in strong rental or appreciation market. Sellers of these homes are often motivated to sell fast, meaning you can negotiate a great deal. I used Redfin, Zillow, and PropStream to search for foreclosures and pre-foreclosure, tax delinquent properties, motivated sellers who inherited properties they didn't want. After weeks of searching, I found a 3-bedroom house in Texas that was worth $250,000 after repairs, but was listed at just $150,000 because it needed work. How I bought it with just $10,000. I didn't have 6 figures sitting in the bank, so I used a hard money loan, a type of short-term loan that real estate investors use. Here's how it worked. I put down just $10,500 as an earnest money deposit. The hard money lender covered the rest of the purchase price and renovation costs. Since they care more about the deal than my credit score, I didn't need perfect credit or a W-2 job to qualify. Step 3. Renovating and flipping the property. The biggest mistake new investors make is over-renovating. I focused only on high-value upgrades like kitchen and bathroom updates, fresh paint and new flooring, simple curb appeal improvements, landscaping, and a new front door. Total renovation cost just $30,000. After 90 days, the house was ready to sell, and guess what? We sold it for $260,000, and the final numbers: purchase price $150,000, renovation cost $30,000, after repair value $250,000, selling price $260,000, total profit after fees $210,000. Not bad for my first real estate deal at 19 years old, right? 3 biggest mistakes to avoid. If you're thinking about trying this, avoid these costly mistakes. Overpaying for the property. Always use the 70% rule. Never pay more than 70% of the ARV minus repairs. Hiring the wrong contractor. Always get at least 3 bids and never pay upfront. Underestimating holding costs. Remember to factor in property taxes, loan interest, and utilities while you own the property. So, what do you think? Would you try this strategy yourself? Let me know in the comments. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my free real estate checklist in the description. See you in the next videos.